Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name red color, blue color, black color, yellow color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use blue color. The alphabets of B. Kids now C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C, and use black color. Kids now D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D, and use yellow color. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use green color. Kids now draw numbers, and first draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use red color. O-N-E 1. Kids now draw 2. The numbers of 2, and use blue color. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3, and use black color. T-H-R-W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4, and use yellow color. F-O-U-R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5, and use green color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids now draw shapes, and first draw square. The shape of square, and use red color. Kids now draw circle. The shape of circle, and use blue color. Kids now draw triangle. The shape of triangle, and use black color. Kids now draw heart. The shape of heart, and use yellow color, yellow color. Its last letter Easter, the shape of Easter, and use green color, green color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.